Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, I'm making elote, Mexican street corn. Really simple to make and so flavorful. Check it out. Alright, so I've got some sweet corn here. These ears are a little small, so I could have probably used a few more, but it worked for my needs. And did you know that each one of those silks goes to each one of those kernels? Sometimes if you have one that there's a gap missing in some of the kernels, it's actually because one of the silks didn't get pollinated. Fun fact. Another thing, when you're getting corn from your local farm stand, don't peel it back until you get home. If you do, like you just saw, if there's a bad spot, just cut it off. When you peel that corn back and throw it back, no one's going to take that corn and it just kind of hurts the farmer. Just a little farm store etiquette or farmer's market etiquette. So I've got these on the grill. Just going to keep rotating around, get a nice little char on them. Works really well. And you can see in the background, there's the tomato tunnel, producing a ton of tomatoes right now in the potato field. Potatoes are almost ready to come in. So the corn's all grilled up, brought it inside, and you don't have to cut it off the cob. I just prefer it that way. You could make the sauce and leave the corn on the cob and then just like use a brush to brush it on or drizzle it on to the corn on the cob. That's a little bit more authentic. I just prefer to cut it off. It's just a little bit easier for me to eat. So that's why I do it that way. This recipe also scales really nicely. Because the sauce is the sauce, you could use, 6, 4, 7 ears of corn. They would all work really well. So just letting the knife kind of cut through that. Nice sharp knife. It's pretty easy. Gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise. The spice packet, you can check out the spice blend on my website. Came out really nicely. Add a little bit of lime juice. And then you just mix it up. Add some salt and you're good to go. Alright, we got our Mexican sweet corn here. Let me give it a try. Tangy, sweet, spicy. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Wow. Try this one out. Until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.